Students, read the following and answer any four of the questions from 19, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 10th CBSE sample paper released by the CBSE. Let us read the question, student. Sumati wanted to see the distant. Sumati wanted to see the stars of the night sky. She knows that she needs a telescope to see those distant stars. You already know, students. When you read a question, read it very carefully. And you know the telescopes are optical instruments which are used to see the distant objects. You already know about that. Further, he says she finds out that telescopes which are made up of lenses are called refracting telescope. Please make sure that you pay attention to each and every word, student. There are refracting telescopes are those which use lenses, students, and those which use mirrors, they are called reflecting telescopes. And the ones which are made up of mirror are called reflecting telescopes. So here is a picture, student. You can see that this is a lens L1, which is a bigger lens, and L2 is a smaller lens as compared to this. Further, she says, so she decided to make a refracting telescope. So refracting telescope will need convex lenses, as you have seen here. There are two convex lenses which have been used. She bought two lenses, L1 and L2, out of which L1 was bigger. This L1 is a bigger lens because it is getting the light rays from infinity, and this is a point at focus which all the rays are converging at this point, students. Further, the larger lens gathers and bends the light. He writes, this is the larger lens which gathers the light. Yeah? While the smaller lens magnifies the image. What the smaller lens, which is your eye lens, it will magnify the image. So you will see a magnified and bigger image of the distant object, student. So to see far away, she needed a big, powerful lens. Unfortunately, she realized that being big lens is very heavy. Heavy lenses are hard to make, and it is difficult to hold in the right place also. You can see the problem with the refracting telescope is that you will need very big lenses. They will become heavier, and it is difficult to make, students, such heavier lenses. And they are hard to make and difficult to hold in the right. That is why nowadays you are using reflecting telescopes which are using the reflecting mirror, student. Since the light is passing through the lens, the surface of the lens has to be extremely smooth. Any flaws in the lens will change the image, because the image will become blurred, you know, if the lens is not having smooth surface. It would be looking like a dirty window. I mean, it will be blurred type of image, then you won't be able to see the object clearly. So these are some of the. So students, any question you answer, first you must be able to read it very properly, and let us see what are the questions which have been asked. The question is, based on the diagram shown, what kind of lenses would Smriti need to make a telescope? It is clear that there are two convex lenses which have been used. One is bigger, other is small. The bigger lens is gathering light and converging them. Then you have a eye lens, student, which is smaller convex lens, and this magnifies the images. So the answer is B, students. What kind of lenses would Smriti need? Convex lenses. So our answer in the paper is student B. Next question. If the power of the lenses L1 and L2 are in the ratio 4:1, what will be the ratio of the focal length? Students, you already know for a lens, what is the formula? Power of a lens is inversely proportional to the focal length. Power is equal to 1 by f. F is the focal length. So if you have two lenses, P1 by P2, they are the powers of the two lenses P1 are in the ratio of 4:1, and what is P1 is 1 by F1, and what is P2 1 by F2. That means, student, we can say that 4 by 1 is equal to F2 by F1, or F1 is to F2 will be in the ratio of 1:4, student. What is the answer? The correct answer is B, students. 1:4 ratio. 1:4 ratio. 19. Third question, what is the formula of the magnification obtained with the lens? You already know what is the formula of the magnification of the lens. For a lens, ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. You know the formula for the magnification is already known, student. What is the formula of the magnification of a lens? The formula for the magnification of lens is height of the image. Height of image divided by the height of the object. Height of the object, student. So h dash, height of the image divided by height of the object, which is also equal to student V by U. That magnification is also equal to V by U, where U is the object distance and V is the image distance. Where U is the object distance and V is the image distance, students. Okay, so we already know. So what is the correct answer? What is the formula for magnification obtained with the lens ratio of the height of the image to the right of the object? That is the correct answer. Though I do not read further because only one answer is there, student. So I know it. So the answer A is the correct. Sumiti did some preliminary experiment with the lenses and found out that magnification of the eye lens, eyepiece is 3. Magnification is 3, student. In her experiment with her experiment with L2, she finds an image at 24 centimeter from the lens. V is 24 centimeter, student. What distance did she put the object? Magnification is for a lens is equal to V by U. So you have 3 and V is 24, then U. Then what will be the U? 24 by 3, students. The answer will be 8 centimeter. So in this, what is the A? C is the correct answer, student. As you can see, 8 centimeter. Question number 5, student. Sumiti bought not so thick lenses for the telescope and polished them. What advantage, if any, would she have with her choice of lenses? In the paragraph, he has already written, student, the lenses become very heavy, then they are difficult to make. It is difficult to make. So what is the? Please read the question carefully. Sumiti bought not so thick lenses for the telescope and polished them. What advantage, if any, would she have with her choice of lenses? She will not have any advantage. Wrong. Thicker lenses would have made telescope easier to handle. No. Not so thick lenses would not make a telescope very heavy, and also allow considerable amount of light. This is the correct answer, students. Already in the paragraph it has been said. So not so thick lens will give us that is wrong. So answer is C, student. So therefore, students, we have answered the question 19 of the CBSE sample paper 10. Okay,